I have come down to WOHLHAUPTER stall at EMO Hannover 2025. I have this with me. So I came to know that they have this ES board cartridge, which is a very special cartridge where they can transform from an analog to digital system. Let's hear more about this innovation from Mr. Frank WOHLHAUPTER, who is the director of WOHLHAUPTER.
Our innovation this year at EMO is a special cartridge, laydown cartridge for special boring tools. We also have analog version, but our uniqueness and USP is the cartridge with the sensor unit, which can be used with our digital display called 3E-Tech Plus. This is shown in the special boring tool here, together with the display, which can be hooked on the special boring tool. So whenever you put that display on the tool, switch it on, and you can see we can adjust in increments of 1 micron on diameter. So by using the Allen key, we can adjust the tool 1 micron on diameter exactly. By pushing the button, we reset it to 0 and can restart again and adjust the tool 1 micron on diameter. And the great thing is, this tool can be used, the display can be used on all our standard boring tools, which are equipped with the sensor unit 3E-Tech, and this display fits on all our complete range of finished boring tools, starting from 0.4 millimeters up to more than 3 meters on diameter.
So you can see here is the innovation, and I am going to hand over this innovation passport to Mr. Frank WOHLHAUPTER. Please.
Yeah.